Good morning. This is recording for Saturday, September 28th. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled Being Downsized. Mark Nepo starts this essay with a passage from Joseph Campbell. Our life experiences will have resonance within our innermost being so that we will feel the rapture of being alive. Let me repeat that. Our life experiences will have resonance with our innermost being so that we will feel the rapture of being alive. Recently, a friend said to me, everyone I know has to work obsessively and is worried about losing their jobs, being downsized, and eliminated. I confess, there are times I worry about this. There is no minimizing the hardships that arise beyond our control, especially when we have others to care for. Yet, despite all of this, there are countless stories of people whose lives truly find their meaning after events force them to give up careers that they have been devoted to. This is not new. Even the mythic Odysseus, after being a sailor all his life, after finding his way home after 10 years of war and 10 more years of wandering, even he was downsized, forced in retirement. There he was, pining to return to his glory days at sea, when a soothsayer came to him in a dream and said, "Take your favorite oar and go inland until no one has heard of you, and then go farther until no one has heard of an oar or the sea. Plant your oar there and start a garden." Life may downsize the things we rely on or how we see ourselves, but our spirit waits like a song in a blanket. No matter how dear the tapestry, there is something more dear in each of us that waits for the blanket to be lifted so that our spirit can sing. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not your breath, not this moment, not yourself. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now consider a change of vocation that you may be facing, or just a change in your life. Consider how your work has helped to define who you are. Now close your eyes and think of your work as the glass and who you are as the water. Reflect on what other kinds of work, what other kinds of projects you can pour yourself into. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for doing this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection, to continue thinking about how your past work can help you in your new project, how it can help you redefine yourself if you want to. As always, enjoy your discovery. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.